that time of the month again. It's Gel Refresh Day, and Olive and June came out with new colors, so let's test them out for fall. And yes, I'm doing this in my car because we have to. Look how bad they're getting. I had these on for about 3 weeks now. I could have gone one extra week, but I wanted to get them done because they came out with new colors. This brown with the shimmer in it is so pretty, but I think I'm gonna do this like sagey green. It's Still Life of Flowers. The painting part, which honestly is my favorite. Look how pretty this green is. I'm gonna be honest, Olive and June is my favorite brand I've ever used for gels. I've tried other ones before and it just did not do it for me. I feel like the other ones were so thin that it didn't make my nail thick, so my nails would break all the time. First coat done. Now we're gonna put it under the light. I always do 2 coats. I'm using this box to prop it up. Look how pretty that is. Now to do the other hand. Okay guys, we are officially done. Look how good they look. I guess it's more like a foresty sage green, but I am completely obsessed. See you guys next month.